Hello, everybody. Today is Wednesday, December 7th. It's 4:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the regular session for the futures markets just closed about 10 minutes ago. I want to bring over the time and sales. The last trade on the E-mini S&P was 2237, and you see my computer clock here. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, it was a fantastic day for the auto trader today. The problem I had today is my power went out at about 2 p.m. Eastern time, and I lost all the real-time performance that was going on, and it was much better than what I'm able to retrieve here, because some of these things, charts, the way they trade in real time, can't accurately be shown once they're refreshed. But the only reason I'm even bothering to make this video today is that it was such a great day, and I'm going to show some of the historical trades because some of them match up pretty good. So just to note that these, again, losing power, I had to restart NinjaTrader, so my charts have been refreshed. So these are historical trades, but I'm going to try to point out that these trades were possible, and limit fills and so on. Anyway, the first chart up was the 1 minute line break on the E-mini S&P, and this chart did indeed come close to this performance that I'm showing here. It caught this gymongous move. The market was up sharply, breaking out to new highs, and so there was an extreme range today of 35 points or so. So there was a lot of big trades, and this particular chart was one of them. Okay, the next chart that had a stellar performance was the E-mini S&P on the 3 range, and this hit its goal on a single trade, catching this move early on. So these are range bars, and you can see this would have been filled on its limit order on a pullback at the close of the bar. And so basically this hit its goal as well. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 8 tick. So this would have had a loser to start, but then recovered by catching the big winner, and then looks like it got stopped out. I don't have a daily goal on this one, so it actually got stopped out because of the trailing stop. But still did 1,062. That's 20 points on the E-mini S&P. And once again, I remind everybody that I had to refresh my chart. So these are historical trades looking back. And so today's performance that I'm showing you is indeed hypothetical. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the Super Renko 6 tick. And this had a number of back and forth trades until it caught these 2 trades back to back, and then that pushed it up towards hitting its goal. I believe this one has a $1,300 goal. The bonds also rallied, and the system would have caught this trade here on the bonds, making for a great day in the bonds. Okay, next up is the Dow. Next up is the Dow E-mini contract. This did 765 on 3 contracts, and I think it actually did better than this. There was a number of charts that I can't show because I couldn't reproduce the results, some of the line break charts, but there were several other charts that hit their goals, really making for a stellar day. But like I said, my power went out, and I'm not able to give a really accurate performance of what happened today. But all in all, the auto trader did well today. The strategies caught the most of the big moves in the crude oil, in the mini S&P, and the Nasdaq and the Dow. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Of course, if you'd like to know more, please visit our website or send us an email at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.